Satwa, AI just helped me create a cool comic strip, plan a science project, and even write a birthday rap for my brother. I love this thing.
That's awesome, Elise. AI is super helpful when we use it the right way. But we also need to be careful. AI can't decide what's right or wrong like we can.
Yeah. I did ask it to write a mean joke about someone in class, just for fun. And I saw someone using AI to make fake screenshots. It looked real.
Oof, that's where things cross the line. AI should never be used to hurt people, make fun of others, or spread lies. That's how cyberbullying starts. When people use AI to make fake posts, pretend to be someone else, or share cruel content, it can really hurt someone's feelings, even if it was just a joke.
I didn't think about it that way. I guess AI can be dangerous if we don't stop and think first.
Exactly. Use AI to build up, not tear down. If you wouldn't say it to someone's face, don't type it, even with AI's help.
So no cheating, no faking, and definitely no bullying. From now on, I'll use AI for creativity, not cruelty.
That's digital wellness, Elise. Being smart, kind, and mindful online.